Good morning all. The fun continues today. So we made it up here just about yesterday with that hellish drive, and now apparently the gods of travel never want us to leave because the van won't start. Oh. I'm just waiting for this video to post. I'll show you what the problem is though. Basically, the key here, you put it in and it sort of goes to the stop. You know how normally when you start an engine on any vehicle, you twist it, don't you? So you have your first click and then turn, and it turns over, and the key sort of springs back, doesn't it? You do it and the key comes back, and this is going all the way to the stop. And yeah, the battery's not flat, it's brand new. Look, everything comes on, it's not even turning it over. So yeah, I don't really know, but I suppose there's worse places to be stranded, isn't there? There's also better places, because we are on top of a mountain pretty much, in the middle of Switzerland, in the middle of nowhere. So it's a good job I've got plenty of supplies, ain't it? Oh, yeah. But is what it is. I'm going to post on a few forums. Got like the Iveco forum and stuff. I'm doing it on this group as well, just to see if we can get any suggestions. But yeah, so basically right now this is home. So yeah, this is where we are. Look, proper out there. So yeah. However, Jesus Christ, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do the video. I'm trying to upload like a 15-second video on Facebook onto this group of the thing, and it ain't even uploading, so the chances of getting a YouTube video on aren't looking fantastic, but I'll try. But yeah, I'm I'm a firm believer that anything can be fixed. I'm probably going to end up having to hotwire my own van, but because I think it is electrical, I think it must be something to do with this, because all them relays are clicking as normal. I think that's just a fuel pump relay anyway, so it must be ignition barrel based, but this is flipping brand new. So it's not bad though, is it, eh? At least it's not costing me any diesel for a bit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, we're going for the simplest possible fix first. Bit of 3-in-1. So we go. I'm not getting my hopes up for this, but you never know. It could be sticking in there. I've not even got any WD-40, that's all I've got. It's not The problem I'm also going to have is if I do need to take the ignition barrel off, I can't, because it uses what are they called, like shear bolts or something. So when you screw them, they get to a certain torque and then they snap off. So there's no way you can get it off without an angle grinder. So I think it's got to be something to do with this. Just got to be. Yeah, that's an issue. I don't really know what I need to do here. I'm just sort of trying. I've not really brought the best of tools with me, to be honest. I think what's going to happen now is I'm basically going to have to hotwire my own van. Alright guys, here's what I'm doing. I'm going to try anyway. I'm essentially stealing my own van, well, kind of. Obviously it won't start because of the it wouldn't just start like this because of the immobiliser, which is this thing here. So I'm going to sit the key in there so that that comes on. If this works, then this will determine that it's the key thing that's at fault, which is kind of good news because it means my van's not but it's also bad news because, well, it's right, so we're in neutral. So one pin, this should be ignition. Yeah, and it's, yeah, okay. This. And we go like this. A. Okay, so that's progress. Oh, thank for that. Right. I was having visions of me having to get airlifted out here by a Chinook, because there ain't no way I'm getting on a tow truck down there. Imagine, it's impossible, ain't it? I'd have to. Don't even know. Because you couldn't even be towed down, because if you can't start the engine, you don't have power steering. Which in this, you can't drive it without power steering. Yes, you fucking bastard. Don't for that. Okay, so now, temporarily, they're my keys. Oh, fuck. It's like I put at the start of yesterday's shit video. Adventure, ain't it? This is all part of it. Right, everyone. Just gonna go have a little look around where we are. Not been able to go for long, I think, because looks like there's some weather coming in. But try not to get lost. That wouldn't be great, would it? Got better footwear today. More suitable. Right. Let's go have a look. Been walking for what?
30 seconds. Already, just everything's gone. Proper cool in here. Oh. Find the way back easy. Path. There's these little markers everywhere, so just have a little look tonight. And then I think I'm going to get up early tomorrow morning. Hopefully there'll be some mist and stuff about. Get some good photos. Yeah, I've not done anything today because you start flipping that video 5 hours to upload it. So I just cleaned the van, to be honest. I didn't think you'd want to see that. So look at this. I forgot how much I love doing this stuff. Because, you know, back in England, like, or where I live anyway, there's nothing for, you know, at least hour and a half in any direction. Yeah, thunder. Better not go much further. You don't want to be caught in that, do we? There we go, it's opening up a little bit. Whoa! Holy shit! Look at that! Woo-hoo. Watch this. So, I was here looking at this, yeah? You step another, what, 2 meters? 1, 2. And then you got this as well. Jesus Christ. Another view incoming. Oh my god. This place is mad. This is what you call a middle of nowhere job. Right guys, I think it's time to go. So I'm not making it a hat trick of bad shit happening to me in the space of 24 hours. There's the path. Oh, these shoes are so much better. Just grip and everything. Right, probably want to get a wriggle on my own. Oh my god, that looks sick. It's gonna be sick tomorrow. I might just walk this trail first anyway. See where it goes. I'm guessing it goes up one of them. The sky is getting angry. Got to be this way, isn't it? Surely. Yeah, it is. And another camper turned up as well. They're over there somewhere in the other bit. Oh, that's a cool photo. Time that just right. It's just starting to rain. Look at that beast coming over. I bet it'll be quite intense up there as well. Should be cool. Let's see if I can film some of it. If it starts lightning and stuff, that'd be sick. I reckon the plan is stay up here for a few days and then drive to France, get the resupply done. Yeah, I think that's the best bet. Probably, definitely tonight, maybe tomorrow night as well, because I want to go up one of these. And that's the best thing to do, and then come back into Switzerland once I've got like everything I need, and go all the way to Italy then, pretty much. See them God rays trying to come out again up here. The same ones from a couple of days ago. That's that same mountain over there. So you can't really see it though. Kind of shit. Because the weather's gone a bit wrong. And like that weather missed me. So only came a little bit. So I'm gonna go explore a bit more. I think there's a lake down here somewhere. Found a lake. Video. Well, this is a bit mental, ain't it? Getting some good photos in here. This place is insane. This is why so many people were coming up here then. I'm bit by something on my leg, it's all swelling up. Got my bloody loud shoes on again, haven't I? Bloody hell. Then I'm getting battered by insects. Oh, that is a sick photo. You know. Oh man. Yeah, this is happening. I have to dirty the boots up a bit, who cares, eh? Oh, I need to be in the water, don't I? That's the best shot. I'm getting destroyed by mosquitoes now, but it don't even matter. Biting me. Everything is biting me. Right. I think I'm going to come back down here in the dark because the stars last night were insane, but that spot I was in was a bit shit. Hang on. Let me just rephrase that. That spot I was in, or am in, not quite this. It's not shit. That's for damn sure. Oh my god. I don't know what to say to this. This is crazy. You can't see those colours. Look, there you go. There you go. Colours in the sky. Oh, so many things. Holy shit. Got a whole swarm of them around me. Oh. This is crazy. This is like a photographer's flipping wet dream, this is. Just going to keep the camera out, I think. That's the best bit. Look at them colours, man. Oh. These bugs that are doing me over right now. Dealt with these before in Lithuania. It's the same ones, they just land on you and bite you for no reason. They're not taking blood, they just bite you.